Chandrababu Naidu, in his first 2 terms as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, earned the nickname of being the CEO of the state. Postgraduate in economics, Chandrababu's functioning as the Chief Minister in the late 90s was very corporate in style that relied more on performance and tangible economic growth rather than traditional vote bank politics. It was reflected in the growth of the capital city of Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. It transitioned from being the Nizam city to a cyber hub of modern India with the growth of Hyderabad Information Technology and Engineering Consultancy or High-Tech City, also known as Cyberabad. Situated towards the northwestern region of Hyderabad, High-Tech City is a major high-tech business district. All thanks to Chandrababu Naidu, who impressed Bill Gates and ensured Microsoft to locate its India Development Center in Andhra Pradesh. His efforts were recognized globally, earning him several accolades, including being named South Asian of the Year by the Time magazine in 1999. Today, High-Tech City is one of the leading IT, health informatics, bioinformatics and engineering hubs of India, the foundation of which was laid in the first 2 terms of Chandrababu Naidu as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. In the decade that Chandrababu Naidu spent in the opposition bench, Andhra Pradesh was bifurcated and Telangana was born with Hyderabad as the common capital. Post-bifurcation, when Andhra Pradesh needed to plan its new capital city, the TDP Supremo in his 3rd term proposed development of Amravati. He faced strong opposition, and when he lost power to Jagan Mohan Reddy, led YSRCP in 2019, everything stalled. In his 3rd term as the Chief Minister of bifurcated Andhra Pradesh, he also launched several programs like Smart Village, Smart Ward to transform rural Andhra Pradesh, all in continuation to his CEO style functioning as the Chief Minister of the state. Andhra Pradesh has once again voted Chandrababu Naidu to power, hoping that he finishes the work started a decade back and lessens the gap between the rural-urban divide in the development of the state. Bureau Report, India Today.
The biggest test for Chandrababu Naidu is going to be how he actually develops Amravati. There are a lot of hopes riding on him, particularly to ensure that Amravati becomes like a Hyderabad, a cyber city, beautifully developed and whatnot. And if anyone can do it, it's Chandrababu Naidu. But finances is the big question mark, and for that Chandrababu Naidu will have to focus on getting help from the BJP, on getting help from the centre. The spotlight now is on Chandrababu Naidu. The people have given him an overwhelming mandate. Can he live up to expectations or not? Here on India Today, we'll be tracking all the big twists and turns in Andhra politics. Thanks very much for tuning in to this India Today special.